In this video, I will show you how to reject bonus in OneXBet. Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this. So to reject a bonus, first thing is to register. To register, you're going to choose the third option by email and you're going to put in your surname. You're choosing the third option because that's the only option that a promo code works with. So you're going to put in your surname, your name, and you're going to choose your country from where you're from. So if you are from China, as an example, you're going to choose China and your currency is going to change to Chinese yuan. Choose another currency if you want. Then you're going to choose a date of birth. So if you choose a date of birth and then you apply it, you're going to come down to a password. In this password section, you're going to create a password with the four requirements. After creating a password, you're going to use the promo code LeoTV. If you use the promo code LeoTV, you're going to receive 300% bonus on your first deposit. This means that you deposit 10,000, you're going to receive 30,000. Now, if you want to reject this bonus, what you have to do is to click on this box here and then click on reject bonus. So you reject bonus and go ahead and create your account. Your bonus is going to be rejected even if you use the promo code LeoTV. So that's how to reject bonus on OneXBet. Subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this.